Okay, today I'm going to show y'all about a website called Lose It, and it's a great tool to help you reach your weight goals, whether that's to lose weight, to gain weight, or to maintain your weight. It's something that it's very good, and it's a visual to help you track your process, and it'll help you reach your goals. So I've already pulled it up right here, and you just go to the internet and you type in loseit.com, just like that. And so this is going to be the first page that you come to. This is the home page, and you're going to want to create an account and sign in. I've already created one so that I can show you how it works. As you can see, there seems to be a lot going on, but basically you're going to type in your weight and what your goal is, and it'll give you what's called a budget, and that's going to be your caloric budget. So that's going to be how many calories you're supposed to have in a day to reach your goal. And then it'll also count your food calories, and that number would be right here, and as well as your exercise right here. And then it'll tell you how many more calories you have for the whole day right under here. And so what you would do is you'd eat your meal, and then you'd sign on, and you would add your food just like this. And let's say you wanted to record your breakfast, so you'd go in here, and there's a bunch of different stuff, and you can search for your food if you know exactly what it is. They have restaurants and supermarket stuff, and so pretty much you can find any food that you may have eaten. So let's say that I ate a banana for breakfast. Okay, so I had one, and so I would add the food, and see, it's going to show up right here, and 105 now I have total, and this is the total amount. And then so now my number went down by 105 calories, so now I have that many calories left for the day. And then the exercise would work the same way. So let's say I walked today. I walked for about 15 minutes. So we'll add the exercise, and so that means I burned 52 calories. So they have added those back to my total calories that I can have for the day. And so that's how you add the food and everything. And over here you'll see this bar right here. This is another way to visualize, how many you have left. So this is with my banana and my walking. I have this much white space left. This line right here is the line that I cannot go over. This is my budget line. And then this is obviously how many calories I have eaten. So I have all this white space left for the day. And so then we'll go up here and we'll go to goals. You are allowed, or this program allows you to set up your goals and track them all the way through. And so if my starting weight was 200 pounds, I would have entered that when I first set up my account, and that bullet is going to show up right here. And then you would have your goal weight, which is 160, so that you can, see it, and they'll have a line down here. So that's what you're trying to reach. And also it shows you your caloric budget again. And so you would come in here and you would record today's date and record today's weight. And so let's say today I weighed 185, 5 pounds from the last time, and I would record it, and it would add another bullet, and the line would go down. And this is just a great way to keep you motivated and to see if what you're doing is actually helping. And because, sometimes you may gain weight and your line will go up, and you don't want to see that. So then you'll maybe try to see if you can change something that you're doing to get you back on track. And also another thing I wanted to show you was there's reports, and this is just your daily report. So it has just a bunch of different things that you can monitor just how much you're doing. Here's some more in-depth nutrition facts about what you have eaten that day. And here's a really good chart that'll show you if I had added something for lunch, it would break off a piece of the pie for lunch. And you kind of want them to be all even is the goal. And again, you'll be able to see everything here with your daily log. And here's this again to be able to see how many calories you have left in a really visual way. Another great thing about this site is that there's an app for it for the iPhone and the iPad, and which allows you to have these tools with you at all times, so that as soon as you finish eating something, you can type it in. As soon as you get done with your workout, you can enter it in on your phone or your iPad, whatever you have with you, and it'll sync to this website, which is great because then you have, more different ways and you won't forget to do it. So we'll go back to the home page, and this website, it's a great way, as I said earlier, to help you with your goals. And people need some motivators, and if you write everything down and you have something that shows you step by step how you're doing and it shows your progress, and that helps a lot of people to stay motivated, because people, they don't want to write down bad foods that they ate, and people want to add all this exercise that they did. So it's just a good way to self-motivate yourself. And when it comes to maintaining or losing weight, that's one of the most important things.